This powerful drink made me walk without pain. I drink it every morning, and my knee looks like new. Do you feel like every step is a struggle? Climbing stairs feels impossible, and you worry about falling just getting up from your chair? I know exactly how that feels. I used to live with constant knee pain. My legs stiffened, my knees creaked like old wood, and some nights the throbbing kept me awake. I felt drained, frustrated, and worried that my body was slowly giving out. But one simple morning routine completely changed everything. There's a natural, easy-to-make morning drink for seniors that help me walk without pain, regain strength, and feel alive again. It's not medicine, injections, or complicated therapies, just a powerful drink for knee pain that works with your body to support joint health, strong joints, and knee pain relief after 60. In this video, I'll show you the exact recipe, step by step, so you can start your own journey toward easier movement and less stiffness. Before we get to the recipe, let's explore the first superstar ingredient, prunes, the secret to reducing inflammation and strengthening your knees. And before that, if you're ready to take your first step toward moving freely again, type in the comments, "I want to walk without pain," a small action that can spark a big change. 1. Prunes. When it comes to joint health and finding a real solution for knee pain after 60, the first ingredient I want to share with you is prunes. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Prunes? Aren't they just for digestion? But let me tell you, prunes are much more than that, and they played a huge role in my journey to walk without pain. These little dried fruits are packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin K, potassium, magnesium, and iron, all of which are essential for maintaining strong joints and bone health. What surprised me the most was their antioxidant content, especially polyphenols, which directly help reduce inflammation in the joints. If you've ever felt that nagging stiffness in your knees or that heavy, tired sensation in your legs, you know how discouraging it can be. Prunes work naturally to ease that discomfort. For me, after just a few days of including prunes in my morning drink, I began to notice my knees weren't as swollen, and the stiffness I had lived with for years started to ease. It's like the inflammation inside my joints slowly started to calm down, and each step became a little lighter. Another benefit I didn't expect was improved circulation. Good blood flow means nutrients reach your muscles and joints more effectively, supporting repair and strengthening. This is especially important for seniors who want to maintain mobility and independence. And here's a tip I learned: soaking the prunes in warm water for about 15 minutes before blending them releases even more of their nutrients and makes your drink smoother and easier to enjoy. For someone like me, who wanted pain relief without relying on strong medications or injections, this simple act of adding prunes to a daily morning drink for seniors felt empowering. It gave me a sense of control over my body, and that feeling of taking care of myself from the inside out is invaluable. Over time, I noticed not just reduced knee pain, but more energy throughout the day, which is so important for staying active, maintaining healthy habits, and enjoying a fulfilling, healthy life. Prunes also support bone strength, which is crucial for preventing falls and injuries, and they naturally complement other anti-inflammatory foods we might add to our routine. I want to emphasize that this isn't a miracle cure, it's consistency that matters. Drinking prunes every morning became a small but powerful habit in my senior wellness routine, a daily commitment to nurturing my body and protecting my knees. For anyone struggling with stiff knees, joint pain, or looking for knee-strengthening remedies, prunes are a surprisingly effective ally. They're natural, affordable, and easy to include in your day. And the best part? You can combine them with other ingredients to make a drink that's not just healthy, but also delicious and satisfying. Now, while prunes are fantastic on their own, they become even more powerful when paired with oats, another amazing ingredient that works hand in hand to support joint health, steady energy, and inflammation control. So let's move on to our next superstar ingredient, oats, and see why they're a must-have in this powerful drink for knee pain. 2. Oats. The next ingredient that truly transformed my joint health and helped me regain mobility is oats. Now, you may think of oats as just a breakfast cereal, but for seniors looking to relieve knee pain and support strong joints after 60, oats are a real powerhouse. They are packed with soluble fibers, especially beta-glucan, which not only helps stabilize blood sugar, but also gently reduces inflammation inside the body. For anyone struggling with stiffness in their knees, this anti-instrumenter effect is a game changer. I remember mornings when even the thought of climbing stairs felt impossible, and the heaviness in my legs made me dread getting out of bed. Once I started adding oats to my morning drink for seniors, I noticed a slow but steady improvement. My movements became smoother, and the stiff, locked feeling in my knees started to fade. Oats also provide a steady release of energy, which is critical for seniors who want to stay active without feeling drained. Unlike sugary breakfasts that spike your energy and leave you exhausted, oats give a lasting sense of vitality, making it easier to take walks, do light exercises, or simply enjoy daily activities without that constant fatigue. Another benefit I noticed is that oats support healthy digestion and nutrient absorption, which means your body can actually use the vitamins and minerals from other ingredients like prunes more effectively. And here's a little insider tip. Rolled oats work best in a blended drink because they soften quickly and mix into a smooth, creamy texture, making it enjoyable for seniors who might have sensitive teeth or difficulty chewing. Oats also help maintain a healthy weight, which is crucial because excess weight puts extra strain on your knees and joints, worsening pain over time. By combining oats with prunes, you're not just creating a drink that tastes good. You're creating a daily act of care for your knees, joints, and overall vitality. This simple, yet powerful habit fits right into a senior healthy lifestyle, supporting healthy aging, strong joints, and energy throughout the day. Just like prunes, oats are affordable, natural, and incredibly effective when included consistently. And while oats are a fantastic core ingredient, they become even more nourishing and soothing when paired with coconut milk, which brings essential healthy fats, minerals, and hydration to your muscles and joints. Let's move on to the next superstar in this natural drink for joints, coconut milk, and see how it completes this incredible formula for pain relief, knee strengthening, and walking without pain. 3. Coconut milk. The third ingredient that makes this powerful drink for knee pain truly effective is coconut milk. And let me tell you, it's more than just a creamy, delicious addition. For anyone over 60 struggling with joint health or knee pain, coconut milk brings essential, healthy fats that act like natural lubrication for your joints, helping your knees move more smoothly and reducing stiffness that makes walking or climbing stairs a struggle. I remember when even standing up from a chair would make me wince and my knees felt as if they were locked in place. Once I started adding coconut milk to my morning drink for seniors, I noticed a difference within days. Coconut milk is rich in magnesium and potassium, two minerals that are critical for muscle relaxation and nerve function, which in turn helps you move with more ease and less discomfort. If you are having motor trouble, it also contains a small amount of vitamin C, which supports collagen production, essential for maintaining strong cartilage in the knees and other joints. This is crucial because as we age, our cartilage naturally wears down, and any boost in collagen can help protect our joints and support healthy aging tips that really matter for everyday life. Beyond the nutrients, coconut milk helps your body absorb the vitamins and antioxidants from the prunes and oats more efficiently, creating a synergistic effect that makes the drink even more potent. And let's not forget hydration. Many seniors struggle with mild dehydration, which can worsen joint stiffness and make walking without pain harder. The healthy fats and natural electrolytes in coconut milk support hydration from the inside out, giving your muscles and joints the moisture they need to stay flexible. I like to think of it as the oil that keeps the gears running smoothly. You combine it with the anti-inflammatory prunes and the energy-stabilizing oats, and suddenly your morning drink is not just a smoothie. It's a joint repair drink that targets knee pain, supports strong joints after 60, and helps you feel lighter and more mobile every day. The creamy texture also makes it easy to drink, which is perfect for seniors who may struggle with chewing or digestion. And while each of these ingredients, prunes, oats, and coconut milk, is powerful on its own, the real magic happens when they come together. This combination doesn't just address pain temporarily, it nurtures your joints, muscles, and overall senior health, giving you a foundation to move with confidence, regain strength, and embrace a healthy life with less dependence on medications. Let's explore that synergy next and see exactly how the combined effect of these three ingredients creates a truly transformative solution for joint pain relief, knee strengthening remedies, and a natural cure for knee pain. 4. Effects of combining 3 ingredients. When we talk about joint pain relief and knee health after 60, it's easy to focus on individual ingredients like prunes, oats, or coconut milk. But the real secret lies in the way they work together, creating a powerful synergy that your body feels from the very first sip. Think of it this way. Prunes bring anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants that help calm swollen joints and reduce stiffness. Oats deliver soluble fiber and steady energy that stabilizes blood sugar and lowers inflammation. And coconut milk provides healthy fats, minerals, and hydration that lubricate your joints and nourish muscles. Each ingredient addresses a different part of the problem, but when combined, they create a whole body effect that supports strong joints after 60, helps you walk without pain, and improves overall senior health and wellness. I remember the first week I drank this combination every morning. I noticed my knees weren't as stiff when I got out of bed, climbing stairs felt easier, and I even walked to the mailbox without that familiar heaviness in my legs. The synergy comes from how these nutrients complement each other. The antioxidants from prunes work better when your body is properly hydrated and nourished with healthy fats, and oats fibers slow down sugar spikes that can trigger inflammation. Over time, this daily drink doesn't just mask pain temporarily like medications do. It helps your joints, muscles, and connective tissues recover and maintain strength naturally. It's like giving your knees a gentle, consistent repair therapy every single morning, supporting healthy aging tips and improving your mobility and independence in daily life. And this combination is safe and simple, made from natural ingredients you can trust, which makes it perfect for seniors looking for natural remedies for stiff knees without relying on strong medications or expensive treatments. But while the synergy of these 3 ingredients is powerful, many seniors make mistakes that reduce the drink's effectiveness, and I want to make sure you don't fall into those traps. In the next section, we'll go over the most common mistakes people make when using prunes, oats, and coconut milk so you can get the full benefit of this joint repair drink, improve your knee-strengthening remedies, and finally enjoy a morning routine that actually supports pain relief and strong joints. 5. Common mistakes when using this ingredient. Although prunes, oats, and coconut milk are all incredible for joint pain relief and supporting knee health after 60, many seniors unknowingly make mistakes that reduce their effectiveness. One of the biggest mistakes is not using enough of the ingredients consistently. Some people drink a tiny amount once in a while and then wonder why their knees still hurt or why the stiffness hasn't gone away. The truth is, these ingredients work best when taken every morning, consistently, as part of a daily routine that supports strong joints after 60 and overall senior health. Another common mistake is skipping the soaking step for prunes. Soaking softens them, releases nutrients like potassium and polyphenols, and makes them easier to blend, but many seniors simply toss them in dry, which can make the drink less effective and harder on digestion. A third mistake is overlooking portion balance. Too much oats can thicken the smoothie excessively and spike blood sugar, while too much coconut milk can add extra calories without improving joint support. The key is using the right combination: 6 prunes, 2 tablespoons of oats, and about a cup of coconut milk. Some also forget to include optional boosters like banana, cinnamon, or turmeric, which can enhance anti-inflammatory effects, improve nutrient absorption, and add gentle sweetness without processed sugar. Spritz. Britain and some indigenous countries introduce spritz without processed sugar. Another pitfall is expecting instant results. Many seniors get discouraged after a couple of days and stop drinking it. The reality is that joints and connective tissue take time to respond, so patience and consistency are essential. And finally, some people blend improperly, leaving chunks or fibers that can make it harder to digest or less pleasant to drink, which may lead them to skip it. Simple steps like blending for 1-2 minutes to achieve a smooth, creamy consistency can make a big difference in enjoyment and absorption. By avoiding these mistakes, seniors can maximize the benefits of this natural drink for joints, supporting pain relief, strong joints, and better mobility, and gradually improving overall senior wellness and healthy aging tips. Remember, the goal isn't just temporary relief. It's about creating a daily habit that nourishes your body, protects your knees, and helps you regain confidence in every step. And now that you understand how to avoid these common mistakes and get the most from each ingredient, it's time to wrap up with some final thoughts that will encourage you to start your journey toward a life of lighter mornings easier movement, and renewed senior healthcare habits. So, after everything we've shared today, remember this. This simple morning drink made from prunes, oats, and coconut milk is more than just a recipe. It helps reduce knee pain, eases stiffness, strengthens joints, and gives you the confidence to walk without fear again. Imagine waking up feeling lighter, moving more easily, and enjoying your day without the constant worry of pain holding you back. Every sip is an act of self-care, a daily reminder that healthy aging is possible and that your body deserves the best natural support. This is your chance to take control of your joint health, improve your mobility, and feel energized every morning. Now, I want to ask you, have you tried a natural remedy for your knees yet? If not, start with this one and give yourself the gift of stronger, pain-free joints. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss the next senior health tip or morning drink for seniors that can help you move, feel, and live better every day. Click on the next video too, where I share another easy, natural recipe that complements this drink and supports your joint repair. Remember, even small, consistent steps like this morning ritual can make a huge difference. Start tomorrow, take care of yourself, and enjoy a lighter, healthier, more confident life. You deserve it.